Have you ever wondered why, in a world full of choices, we sometimes make decisions we later regret? Think about it. Why does a chocolate bar seem more tempting than an apple? Or why does relaxing on the couch often win over a jog in the park? It's a puzzle, isn't it? In our last chat, we met the elephant within us. That part of our being that craves the good things in life. Food that bursts with flavor, moments of cozy rest, and, well, making sure our genes don't just stop with us. But here's the twist. Our inner elephant needs a savvy coach to navigate the modern jungle. Without it, we're walking right into the traps set by the crafty opposition manager. What are they? They're the forces that seem to offer us the very things we desire, with a catch. They're all illusion, no substance, leaving our elephant unfulfilled and us, frankly, out of balance. Let's dive into the opposition manager's cunning tricks. This trickster plants the idea that the world is scarce, that we must grab and consume without thinking. But guess what? This scarcity is often an illusion, a clever mind game designed to skew our decisions. Are you ready to uncover these traps and take the first crucial step towards self-mastery? Imagine this. It's been another long day, and you're finally home. The couch embraces you like an old friend, and there's that familiar rustling sound of a snack packet begging to be opened. Sound familiar? Let's face it, we've all been there. Reaching for that bag of chips or that sugary drink can seem like the perfect quick fix. But have you ever wondered why these snacks are so hard to resist? Here's a crumb of food for thought. The global junk food industry spends billions each year on advertising alone, making sure their products are as tempting as possible. And boy, does it work. Studies show that we're not just buying a snack, we're buying a feeling, an experience crafted by experts who know exactly how to get our taste buds dancing. These treats are precision engineered for the bliss point, that perfect combination of salt, sugar, and fat that sends pleasure signals straight to our brain, making us come back for more. But while our taste buds are throwing a party, the rest of the body might not be celebrating. The issue? These foods often lack the essential nutrients our bodies need to thrive. It's like putting flashy, low-quality fuel in a high-performance vehicle. Eventually, the engine's going to have problems. So next time you reach for that quick snack, ask yourself, is it just a fleeting craving, or is your inner elephant genuinely hungry? Remember, the choice you make could either be a trap or a step towards true satisfaction. As our elephant navigates the city, every billboard and screen isn't just selling a product, they're selling a fantasy wrapped in desire. And behind each of these images is not just an artist or a brand, but a strategy, carefully crafted by those who understand that desire leads to dollars. Every click, every purchase influenced by these images translates into profit for them, and it's a system designed to tap directly into our elephant's most basic instincts. But let's pause and ponder. What does this constant stream of sensual media do to our elephant's understanding of relationships and self-worth? Psychologists warn that such exposure can distort reality, inflating expectations and warping our perceptions of normalcy. The statistics are startling. Research shows that regular exposure to sensual content can lead to unrealistic beliefs about relationships, body image issues, and an overall dissatisfaction with real-life intimacy. Our elephant, majestic and wise, is reduced to a pawn in a greater game of profit. But it doesn't have to be this way. We have the power to choose where we direct our attention, to distinguish between genuine need and manufactured desire. Imagine this. Two scenes unfold before us. On one side, our ancestors are on the move, chasing, gathering, constantly active in the wild. On the other, there's John, comfortably nested on his couch, remote in one hand, smartphone in the other. John hasn't moved much, except for his thumbs, which are getting quite the workout. Our bodies evolved to move, to run, to jump, to live actively. But fast forward to today, and we're caught in the convenience trap. escalators replace stairs, cars replace walks, and screens replace just about everything. It's seductive, isn't it? Modern comforts save us time and effort. But here's the catch. They also lead us down a path where the most exercise we get is walking to the fridge and back. But let's get real. What's the price of this comfort? Our elephant, the body, loves conserving energy, sure, but it wasn't designed for a life of lounging. A sedentary lifestyle can lead to weight gain, weaken our muscles, and even impair mental health. But the story doesn't end here. No, it's not just about recognizing these traps. It's about learning how to navigate through them. In our next video, we'll step into the shoes of a wise mahu, guiding our elephant wisely. We'll uncover how to satisfy the deep rumblings of our desires in ways that nourish, energize, and sustain, rather than just temporarily appease.